Hi Dan, thanks so much for joining us yesterday for our Global CDO Hub. Great conversation all around building data communities and excited to have this quick wrap up together. Do you want to kick us off with maybe just a little bit about what the conversation was about yesterday?
Yeah, of course, Haley. It was a great conversation actually. The hour flew past. We really talked a bit around what makes a great data culture, and then how that interacts with the broader data community. The groups shared some of their successes. So, what were some of the things that they've done to build that data community? And then there was also a great bit of discussion around how do you even measure whether you've been successful there or not.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought there was quite a lot of different approaches that people had taken, which really came out of that discussion. Um, for you, what's the sort of importance of having this conversation right now?
I think there's no better time to be talking about the importance of a data community and broader data culture than right now. Um, I think as someone who leads a center of excellence of data professionals, if we just believe that data professionals are the only people who need to be involved in data culture, then we failed. And so actually kind of what was great to hear was how do you go beyond just having data in your title, and how do you work with people from across the organization to really build the importance and the power of data, and then just to expand that community.
Yeah, absolutely. And data communities data teams are typically quite small anyway, so it's just having that power, isn't it, across the business and having other people who can help shout about it. Was there any key highlights or takeaways that you got from having the conversation yesterday?
Yeah, there were a couple of things that I thought were really powerful. One was just the importance of um, building those first links with your early adopters, and almost kind of using them to become your guides in the wider organization. So it's very much a momentum game. If you can get those early wins in quickly and start to build the community, then very quickly it expands. So that was one thing. Um, the second thing was the ongoing kind of question around how do you know if you're doing this right or not? And so some really great examples of maybe some indirect metrics that you can look at to really help see, are you are you making progress here? Is this something that you're winning? So yeah, both those things were really great takeaways for me.
Fantastic, and thank you again for joining us and leading the conversation. It was great to have your experience, and I know you've done some great work at Capital One to be building your internal data community. So thank you again. Um, for all our CDO Hub members, we've got another global event happening on the 13th of December, which will be our final one for 2023. And for those that are in and around London, we have a Christmas party happening on the 5th of December. So looking forward to seeing everyone at those next couple of events and rounding out 2023.